Hey guys, my name is Alicia and I'm a leasing consultant from the Pines of Clover Lane. I'm going to show you what a premium renovated espresso looks like. Come along with me. When you come in, you have a really spacious coat closet here. Very spacious living room here, which also has a very large door wall, which brings in a lot of natural lighting as well. The espresso is 651 square feet and it is a 1-bed, 1-bath floor plan. When you come in off of the living room, you do have this pretty nice size storage closet. In the dining area, you have 3 very cute windows which surround the dining area, which also helps to bring in a lot of natural lighting as well. And you have a really spacious pantry closet. And for the kitchen, you have really nice honey oak cabinets with black appliances. And this renovation also does come with a microwave. It's a very nice renovation, very warm and welcoming. When you come to the bathroom, you have the really nice honey oak cabinets as well, huge mirror, lots of bright lighting, and then really nice upgraded tan tile for the tub. Very pretty. Another nice thing about the espresso floor plan is you do have a double entry into the bathroom. So you have one coming from the main hallway here, and then you also have one going from the bedroom to the bathroom here. The bedroom is still very spacious. It can fit as large as a king bed in it. Very, very spacious. Then another great part about the espresso floor plan is it has a really spacious walk-in closet as well. This is just one of many floor plans that we do have to offer here. We do also have immediate availability available, so definitely come and inquire today.